For the next few minutes, you're going to learn everything you need to finally make a smart decision. Should you install tile or go with shingles? If you're like many homeowners, you've probably realized that this new year is the right time to take a serious look at your roof. And let's be honest, this isn't a decision you make often. How many times do we replace a roof in our lifetime? Maybe once or twice? That's why we've put together a clear, simplified comparison between tiles and shingles, covering everything from the basics to the more advanced but easy to understand details. If you're a homeowner trying to figure out the best option for your roof, and you're not just worried about the material, but also about costs, timelines, and all the factors involved, this video is for you. By the time you finish watching, you will probably have a much clearer idea of which roofing material fits your needs best. And if you are starting to think about what comes next, like how actual replacement process works, there is another video on our YouTube channel that walks you through helpful tips to make that part easier. We've helped hundreds of homeowners from Palm Beach to Miami replace, repair, and protect their roofs the right way. From shingles and tile to metal systems, we've worked with every type of roof. And we're not just roof installers. We guide homeowners through inspections, permits, insurance claims, and everything in between. We've seen what works, what fails, and what really matters when it comes to choosing the right roof for your home. Let's start simple. Roofing materials protect your home from rain, wind, sun, and storms. In South Florida, where it's hot, humid, and stormy, the choice matters a lot. There are many. We have a playlist comparing all materials, but today we will focus just on two. Shingles. They are small, flat, rectangular pieces that cover your roof. They are made from a fiberglass mat coated with sticky asphalt, like thick tar, and topped with tiny colored rocks called granules for protection from the sun. Tiles are curved or flat pieces, often with a wavy shape. There are two main kinds: clay tiles made from baked earth like pottery, and concrete tiles made from cement mixed with sand and water. They interlock like Lego bricks and are heavier than shingles. Popular in Florida for a classic Spanish-style look. Both can work on sloped roofs, but tiles need a stronger roof structure because they are heavy. Now, having that clear, what about the pros and cons? Shingle pros: cheaper to buy and install. Lightweight, so no need to strengthen your home's frame. Quick to put on. A crew can finish in a day or two. Easy to fix if damaged. You can replace just a few pieces. Come in many colors and styles to match your house. Tile pros: long-lasting. Concrete tiles go 30 to 50 years. Clay can hit 50 or 100 years with good care. Tough against weather. Great for hurricanes, rated for winds over 150 miles per hour. They don't rot or attract bugs. They reflect heat and let air flow underneath, keeping your home cooler and cutting electric bills. Fancy appearance. Gives a high-end Mediterranean vibe that's common here in South Florida neighborhoods. Fire resistant and eco-friendly, especially clay, which is natural. But of course, we have bad news for you. Shingles cons. Shorter life. Usually lasts 15-30 years in South Florida's heat and sun, which can make them fade or crack faster. Not as strong in big storms, they can blow up in high winds. Can grow mold in humid weather, needing cleaning. Less energy saving. They absorb heat, making your AC work harder. Plain look compared to tiles might not boost home value as much. Tile cons, clay or concrete. More expensive upfront, very heavy, 2-3 times shingles. So your roof might need extra support, adding cost. Takes longer to install, up to a week or two. Harder to repair. If a tile breaks, like from flying debris in a storm, it's trickier and pricier to fix. Can crack in extreme cold, but that's rare here, or if walked on wrong. Concrete might fade over time. Clay is pricier, but holds color better. Let's move on with something all of you are interested to know. Prices fluctuate with labor, materials, and location. In South Florida, expect higher costs due to strict codes and hurricane-rated installs. These are averages for a typical 2,000 square feet roof. This is a common home size. Costs include removal of the old roof, materials, labor, and permits. Add 10 to 20% for complex roofs or extras like underlayment. So let me tell you the average. Shingles, $10,000. Concrete tiles, $25,000. Clay tiles, $35,000. Shingles are 2 to 3 times cheaper upfront. Tiles cost more but last longer, so lifetime value might be better. For example, shingles replaced twice in tiles' lifespan, but costs are also related to maintenance and upkeep. Shingles, low effort, clean gutters yearly, check for missing pieces after storms, and treat for algae, costs $200 or $500 every few years. Talking to repairs from $15 to $200 per small fix. Tiles, even lower daily maintenance since they don't rot or algae as much. But inspect for cracks after storms, cleaning $300 to $600 every 5 to 10 years, repairs $200 to $500 per tile, but this is so rare to happen. Reselling underlayment every 20 to 30 years for tiles. It means that both need professional checks every 1 or 2 years, especially before hurricane season. If budget is tight and you might move soon, go shingles. Quick, affordable fix. For a long-term stay in stormy South Florida, tiles are worth it for durability, cooling, and value. Whichever you pick, invest in quality install to avoid leaks. By now, you have got the full picture: water, shingles, and tiles, the real pros and cons of each, how much can you expect to pay, and what kind of maintenance each one needs in South Florida's heat and storms. Most homeowners only go through this decision once or twice in their lives, and those who get it right usually had the right guidance from the start. That's what you just got here today. You know, this kind of breakdown is what many roofing consultants charge for, but you're getting it here completely free. So here's your next step. Comment below and tell us which material makes more sense for your home, shingles or tiles. And don't stop here. Go watch our video on roof replacement tips. That one shows you how to avoid delays, overpaying, and the top mistakes people make after picking material. So, like, comment, and go watch the next video. You're one step closer to a smarter and safer roof. See you on the next video. Bye bye!